We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 6x12 dump trailer with 4-foot sides. This does have your jack coupler and safety chains. This does have the adjustable coupler. Has your hydraulic box here, as well as the remote. This does have the mounts for a tarp kit install that is optional. Has 4-foot metal sides, attached loading ramps. Here we have your two Greaseable 6,000-pound axles with brakes on the rear. There are stake pockets along the side of the trailer. In the back, we do have the spreader gate. It is the barn door style. This does come with LED drive lights. And once again, this is the 6x12 dump trailer with 4-foot sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.